What if I told you that Ford just built the most dangerous, most beautiful, most jaw-dropping American muscle car ever to roll out of Dearborn, Michigan, and it starts at under $100,000? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. And trust me, by the end of this video, you are going to want one so bad it physically hurts. Let's talk about what makes this car absolutely legendary, starting with the moment you lay eyes on it. The 2026 GT500 doesn't just turn heads, it snaps necks. Ford completely reimagined the exterior for this generation. And the result is something that looks like it was designed by someone who genuinely hates the concept of being subtle. Up front, you've got a wide, aggressive fascia with massive carbon, fiber-framed air intakes that actually feed functional airflow into the engine and brakes. The LED headlights are sharp and mean-looking, wrapping around with sequential turn signals that give the car a futuristic edge. There's a front splitter down below that's not just for show. It generates real downforce at high speeds. Walking around the car, those wide body fenders tell you immediately this isn't your everyday Mustang. The hood sits high and proud, featuring twin heat extractor, vents that vent hot air straight out from the engine bay. The roofline flows beautifully into a carbon fiber rear panel, and at the back you've got a full-width LED taillight bar, a GT500 badge in chrome, and that iconic running Mustang pony right in the center. The rear diffuser is massive, and the quad exhaust tips come out looking like they mean serious business. Available in pearl white, shadow black, rapid red, and a new exclusive antimatter blue, this car is a rolling work of art. Now let's pop that hood, because what's underneath is where things get truly insane. The 2026 Shelby GT500 is powered by a hand-built 5.2-liter supercharged Predator V8 engine. This thing produces 900 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. Let that sink in. 900 horsepower in a production Mustang. Ford partnered with Tremec to deliver an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that fires off gear changes in under 100 milliseconds, faster than you can blink. The engine has been upgraded with a larger supercharger, improved intercooling, and strengthened internal components to handle the power reliably over the long term. You get launch control, line lock for burnouts, and multiple drive modes including normal, sport, track, and drag strip. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds and will pull all the way to a top speed of 200 miles per hour. The exhaust note alone is enough to make you emotional. It starts as a deep thundering rumble at idle and absolutely screams at full throttle. Step inside and you realize Ford didn't just make a fast car. They made a fast car you actually want to live in. The interior of the 2026 GT500 is a perfect blend of performance and luxury. You're greeted by 2 Recaro sport bucket seats in premium black leather with red contrast stitching, and the GT500 logo embossed right into the headrest. They hug you perfectly, whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking a corner at the track. The rear seats are surprisingly usable for a sports car, finished in matching leather with that same red stitching detail throughout. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 13.2-inch portrait-style touchscreen running Ford's latest Sync 5 infotainment system with wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a dedicated GT500 performance menu where you can monitor horsepower output, G-forces, lap times, and even track your 0 to 60 runs. Behind the flat bottom, Alcantara steering wheel sits a fully digital instrument cluster with a large tachometer. Front and center, carbon fiber trim runs across the entire dash, and ambient LED lighting in red bathes the entire cabin in a beautiful glow at night. The center console features a rotary drive mode selector, wireless charging, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system with 12 speakers that sounds genuinely incredible. Now let's talk money, because this is where things get interesting. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 starts at $89,995 in the United States for the base model. That gets you the full 900 horsepower, the Tremec dual clutch, the 13.2 touchscreen, Recaro seats, and all the performance hardware. If you want to step up to the GT500 carbon fiber track package, which adds carbon fiber wheels, a carbon fiber front splitter, rear wing, and upgraded Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, you're looking at $99,500. And for those who want the absolute top of the range, GT500KR King of the Road Edition, Ford is asking $115,000, which gets you unique exterior graphics, exclusive interior badging, a launch certificate, and a hand-signed engine plaque from the Shelby team. For the performance and exclusivity you're getting, that is genuinely outstanding value in the American sports car market. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is not just a car. It is a statement. It is 70 years of American muscle heritage, engineering obsession, and pure emotional driving experience packed into one extraordinary machine. Whether you're at the drag strip, attacking a mountain road, or just pulling into a parking lot, this car commands attention like nothing else on the road today. If you've been waiting for the right Mustang, this is the one. Ford built something truly special here, and America should be proud.